It's a logarithmic equation, but it's going to lead to a quadratic equation as well. So let's see how we're going to solve this. The first thing is, if I'm solving questions that have different bases, I have to ensure that they have the same base. So here you can see that the first logarithm is in base 2. This other one is in base x. So I have to reconfigure everything to get them into base x or base 2, either of them. I would prefer to change it into base 2. And change of base, if I have log to the base a of b and I want to change them into x, become log to the base x of b all over log to the base x of a. This, yeah. So if I have log to the base x of 2 and I want to change it into base 2, I'm going to have log to the base 2 of 2 all over log to the base 2 of x. So having done this, I can rearrange this whole thing to now look like this. I'll have log to the base 2 of x plus 4 log to the base 2 of 2 all over log to the base 2 of x is equal to 5. Having seen this whole thing is even going to be 1. So that will be log to the base 2 of x plus 4 times 1, which is 4, all over log to the base 2 of x is equal to 5. I can decide to represent this by setting another variable. In this case, I would prefer to use y. So let's log to the base 2 of x be equal to y. If I do this, I'll now have y plus 4 over y is equal to 5. And at this point, y plus 4 over y equals 5. I can decide to multiply through by 5. Sorry, by y. Multiply through by y so that I can eliminate the fraction. So multiply through by y. Then this becomes y squared plus 4 is equal to 5y. Just multiplying through by y times y times y times y. So having done this, I can change it to a quadratic equation simply. I'll get y squared minus 5y plus 4 equals 0. And as usual, I ask myself, what two numbers am I going to multiply to get 4? Add those same numbers to get minus 5. And that is minus 4 and minus 1. So minus 4 and minus 1. Yeah. So that would be y squared minus 4y minus y plus 4 equals 0. So this can go to become y into brackets y minus 4 minus 1 into brackets y minus 4 equal to 0. So finally, I have y minus 1 and then y minus 4. All of this equals 0. If I get to this point, then I can say y is equal to 1 or y is equal to 4. However, I'm not looking for y. I was actually looking for x. And then log to the base log to the base 2 of x to the base 2 of x also give me y. So I have to equate them back. So this would be log to the base 2 of x is equal to 1 or log to the base 2 of x is equal to 4. Now, if I have this will be x will be equal to 2 to the power 1 or x will be equal to 2 to the power 4. So it implies that x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 16. So this is how we can simply solve this question. We'll solve other questions and then we'll see how they can also be explained. See you in the next video.